The dream isn't making money with AI. It's making money while you're asleep, at dinner, on a walk. That's automation, and in 2026, a beginner can build it with zero code. Let me show you how a business starts running itself, starting with the one shift that makes it possible. Here's the shift. Stop thinking in tasks, start thinking in systems. A task is something you do. A system is something that happens whether you show up or not. Automation is just taking a task you already do by hand and wiring it so it repeats on its own. You can't automate what you've never done manually, so we start there.
Step 1. Do it by hand once and write down every step.
A client asks a question. You answer, you send a quote, you follow up. Each of those is a domino. Automation just makes the dominoes fall by themselves. If you can list the steps, you can automate them. Most people skip this and try to automate chaos.
Step 2. Connect your tools with a no-code automation platform. When a form is filled, it triggers an AI to draft a reply, logs the lead in a sheet, and books a call with no human touching it. You're not coding, you're connecting blocks like Lego. This is the part that felt impossible 2 years ago and takes an afternoon today. Now, if you're thinking this sounds like it's only for tech people, that's exactly the myth that keeps beginners out. And it's where the money is. The next part is what you actually sell. Step 3. Drop an AI agent into the system to handle the messy parts. It reads the message, decides the right response, and writes it in your voice. The automation moves the information. The agent makes the judgment calls. Together, they replace the repetitive thinking that used to eat your whole day. And here's how this makes money. You don't just automate your own work. You build these systems for businesses and charge monthly to run them. A booking system for a clinic. A lead follow-up for a contractor. You build it once and it pays you every month. That's recurring income with the highest ceiling on this channel. Let me be honest. Automation is not set it and forget it. Systems break, clients change, and the first build is fiddly. But once it runs, and you're charging for something that costs you almost nothing to maintain. That gap between what it costs you and what it's worth to them is the business. So don't try to automate everything. Pick one annoying step you repeat every week, your follow-up message, your invoice, your content scheduling, and automate just that. One domino. Once you feel it work, you'll never go back to doing it by hand. If you want the bigger picture of where automation fits in making money with AI, I broke down the 4 honest ways, linked right here. Subscribe for the next build, and tell me the one task you'd automate first. I'll point you to the simplest way to do it. See you in the next one. This video is for education, not financial advice.